Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make public profile. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. So here, go to the profile that is located on top left corner, tap on it. Here you can see add to spotlight, tap on add to spotlight, and now click a photo and tap on send to button. Here tap on my story public, tap to send icon. Now scroll down until you find my public profile. So here it is, tap on it. So you have successfully created your public profile. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.